In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Music not downloading. If your downloads won't start, hang forever, or never complete, follow along and we'll get those tracks saving offline again. Start by confirming the basics. You need an active Amazon Music plan, like Prime or Unlimited, for offline downloads to work. If your subscription recently expired or was downgraded, the app may block downloads until you're active again. Also, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. Unreliable Wi-Fi or spotty mobile data is a common cause of stalled downloads, so switch to a better network if you can. Next, give the app and your device a quick refresh. Force close Amazon Music, reopen it, and then restart your phone, tablet, or computer. A clean restart clears temporary glitches that can interrupt the download process. If downloads are still stuck, clear the download queue. In Amazon Music, go to Library, then Recents, then Download Queue. Cancel or clear anything that's frozen or pending. After that, add the songs back and try downloading again. This removes bottlenecks caused by a single failing item. If issues persist, refresh the app's data. Too much or corrupted cache can break downloads. Open your profile in Amazon Music, head to Settings, and choose Reload Library to resync everything. If you still see problems, signing out and back in can refresh your data as well, and a full reinstall will rebuild the app from scratch if needed. Now check your download settings. In Settings, open Download Audio Quality and choose a lower quality, like Standard instead of High. Large, high-quality files can stall on weak connections. Also look for the option that limits downloads to Wi-Fi only. If that's enabled and you're on mobile data, downloads will pause until you're on Wi-Fi. Turn it off if you want to allow downloads on data. If you haven't already, sign out of Amazon Music and sign back in. This resets your session with Amazon servers and often restores download permissions and syncing. Finally, update or reinstall the app. Grab the latest version from the Play Store, App Store, or Microsoft Store. If updating doesn't help, uninstall and reinstall. This replaces corrupted files and fixes many stubborn issues. A couple of quick reminders before we wrap up. Sometimes one track in a playlist won't download due to licensing or availability. Removing the problem track can let the rest of the playlist finish. And don't forget, many people solve this fast by simply restarting and reloading the cache. Follow these steps in order, and your Amazon Music downloads should be back on track.